Hi guys, this is Nisha and welcome to my first ever vlog. So today I have cut a whole day planned. Like हम लोग को बाहर वगैरह जाना है and हम लोग को थोड़ा सा काम वगैरह भी है. We have some errands to run, so we're gonna do that. And I'm just getting ready for the same. Like me and my cousin. Cousin, please come in the frame. Yeah. So we are actually wearing the same t-shirt.
Yeah.
So I thought, why not? I love this lip gloss. So I thought, why not shoot a vlog? And we have this cafe place that I want her to try. And उसको एक brownie खानी थी जो she saw in my my gallery she saw. And उसको वो खानी थी तो हम लोग वहाँ पर भी जाने वाले हैं. I'm gonna make her try that brownie. और एक मेरी favorite जगह है वहाँ पर इसको coffee पिलानी है. And we're just gonna do some shopping and stuff. So yeah, this is my first ever vlog, so don't judge, okay? I am trying my best. I hope you guys enjoy this and stay tuned for the whatever's coming next. Bye. Blush blindness. Yeah, I mean this is my whole makeup. This is my whole personality. The blush, yeah, the blush is like my whole personality. I wish I want to learn how to do my makeup, like I want to learn how to do the eye makeup and stuff. The girlies look so cute when they do eye makeup and all. I want to learn how to do that. I'm gonna learn, okay? I'm gonna take a makeup wala class soon. And we're ready. I'm just gonna change my outfit now and we'll be good to go. This is the first option that we have, and I don't know, I'm not I mean it's good and all, but I'm not feeling it. So I have one more thing that I can try on. I'm just gonna try it on quickly. This is the second option and I love it because मेरे को ऐसा थोड़ा सा like casually जाना था. I wanted to go like for a casual look. So this is, I think it's perfect. ये black t-shirt because black t-shirt always goes well with anything. So anyways, let's go now.
So these were the brownies that I was talking about. They were so good.
Okay, so I just ordered a brownie और हम लोग अभी खाएंगे. I ordered brownie and a sandwich and I really hope you will like the brownie because it's very good. So yeah, हम लोग wait कर रहे हो आने का and see you then. I hope you like this.
It's amazing.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so the food is arrived and the brownie is good. खूब सुंदर है. She's in heaven. It's good, right?
It's so
Yeah, give your review. So
it is way better than that. Hot chocolate brownie.
that was very bad. Very bad. We're gonna eat now. We've eaten and now we're drinking some water. And we're gonna go to have some kuch to.
Bucket potato.
So guys, we've done eating and we're gonna go now. Where are we gonna go? We're gonna go somewhere else and we're gonna have some fun.
Game X.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the game zone. हम लोग game zone जाएंगे and we're gonna play some games.
God, the weather was weathering y'all today. It was so pretty outside.
हम लोग bowling करने आए guys. I look so tired. She's paying. Of course, I made her pay.
So this was the place where we entered our names, and this was the bowling alley. It was like so good and we enjoyed there like a lot. We had lots of fun. And then it was my turn and I picked up the ball and I went in with full confidence to throw it. But here I go and yeah, like let's just say it not go well. It did not go as planned. But you know what? A first attempt I tried. Here I go again, or another attempt. But इस बार I did good. इस बार I tried my best. I used my brain and I did it good. And look at that, you guys. सिर्फ एक ही पिन बाकी था. I was so happy. And yeah, I was like, देखो मेरा score. And then it was like Prachi's turn. तो उसने भी she tried and everybody was watching and she was so embarrassed. But yeah, we scored good because it was like our first attempt. But then we played and played and played, and yeah, it was like the best. I loved the bowling. I loved the experience. It was so good. I also got myself little cheerleaders. They were like so cute. वो बोल रहे थे कि दीदी हम लोग अंदर आके रुके. I was like yeah, come on guys. फिर हम लोगों ने उनको फ़ोन दे दिया. We told them to shoot us and they shot us. And the end में I was the winner. Yeah. After that we played this game. I don't know what it's called, but it was like so exhausting. मतलब boring था बहुत ज़्यादा. मेरे तो हाथ दुखने लग गए थे. Like you can hear it in the next clip. हम लोग कितना complain कर रहे थे इसके बारे में.
So वो वाला गेम तो like हम लोग को बहुत बोर लगा. It was nothing. We were just throwing balls in the net and
The hands are paining a lot.
yeah, इसके तो हाथ भी दुखने लगे थे. But yeah, we're gonna go in the VR. हम लोग को ये VR करने पर यहाँ पर बहुत भीड़ है. तो देखते हैं. We're gonna go. Sure. It's only 5 minutes in, but she's already scared. I don't know what she's scared of, but she's already scared. It's like literally been like 5 minutes. See what I mean? ये खेला था उसको बहुत ढूंढने के बाद she found this, but we can't play that because हम लोगों के पास enough balance है. तो we're gonna put a balance in this and then we're gonna play again. तो we were like हम लोगों ने खेला है सब and I think नहीं actually मैं तो थक ही गई हूँ. So हम लोग अभी कुछ खाएंगे and then कुछ खाने के बाद हम probably घर जाएंगे या फिर we have one more place that we have to go to. तो अगर वो होता है तो वो and yeah फिर हम लोग देखेंगे what to do next and हम लोग को जाना है actually अगर वो जगह पे अगर होता है तो we'll go there and if not then let's see what happens. कैसी हालत हो गई है भाई. Like literally I look like someone who has done a lot of work and then I have come and we're gonna have thank you.
मला पण पाहिजे.
We were looking for something to eat, so we're Hi guys, so like literally जो सब करना था we did all of that and what a day it was. Like it was so fun. I enjoyed the day a lot and after a long time actually I have like I came out and I did something fun and I enjoyed. So it was really a fulfilling day and I would call it a productive day because I loved this day because after my exams I was like so stressed about all these things and after finally enjoying, I am like really happy right now. तो अभी हम लोगों ने खाना ऑर्डर किया है, so we're just gonna eat it and हम लोग फिर घर जाएंगे most probably या फिर कुछ और most probably तो घर ही जाएंगे. So yeah, and thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys like this video and if you did, don't forget to share and subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care.